Hello. Happy pre-Thanksgiving. So I decided to see if I can come on here and attempt to make my first DIY stretch cord bracelet with these items. Everything here was purchased at Michael's, and I got these a while back. I've had these for a couple months, but I was just trying to stock up, and I wanted to piece some things together until I figured it would look nice enough for a bracelet or necklace or earrings. Okay, so I have two of these, and I may actually make two bracelets. I usually only make one original piece from my website, but I'm thinking either I'm going to make a bracelet and a necklace to match, or two bracelets. So these are the pieces I decided to use. I want to incorporate this wire wrap bead, right? So I'm going to attempt to make a stretch cord bracelet. I was going to use these seed beads, or no, I think these are spacer beads. Y'all know I'm new at this and I don't have the language right, and even if I did, I still wouldn't say it right because I'm old and it works like that for me in my brain. But I was going to use this, but I realized that the stretch cord that I have right now is too large for those spacer beads. This is 1.5 millimeter. So I'm going to stop by Michael's. I have a doctor's appointment in about an hour. So I may stop by Michael's and get her a smaller one, but I really think that because these stones are pretty heavy, that this particular size is going to be best. These beads I already checked should fit. Aren't these gorgeous? Semi-precious beads. Firecrackle agate, amber, 10 millimeter stones. Aren't they gorgeous? I've had these for a couple months too, so I don't remember. I only shop when when there's a sale, so I know I didn't pay very much for those, but I think they match these stones quite nicely. So, and I picked these up. This is wood beads, wood dark brown discs, and wood beads, wood natural 8 millimeter. Aren't they gorgeous and unique? Very nice and unique. So I'm going to put something together. I'm not going to show you well, you just come with me if you want to see how I make it as a newbie to the DIY spectrum of jewelry making. I will be back after my doctor's appointment and we will get started. All right, y'all. I am back from my doctor's appointment, and while I was out, Michael's is basically literally across the street from the doctor's office. So I ran into there to pick up some more stretch cord. So this is the one I purchased. It was originally $8 and I got it with a 40% discount coupon that I had. So I think it came up to like $4, well, a little over $5. So this is the 1 mil Stretch Magic. I'll be using this for different projects. As I said earlier, I'm going to try to finish up using the 1.5 for the project. And I also purchased the red tag beads were on sale for $1.99. I picked these up. So in total, I spent about a little over $12. These are originally $3.99. I think this would be pretty with the bracelet, but I really want to keep the bracelet that I'm making today kind of organic, you know, not too much luster added to it. So I'm thinking if at the end results, if I feel like it needs a little extra bling to it or a little extra luster, then I'll probably add a few of these glass beads. But yeah, I picked up these glass beads for $1.99 at Michael's. Love this color. right? Glass beads. These are the light blue glass Rundell 5mm beads as well, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I'll put these aside and then we'll get started. All right, so again, this is my first attempt to do a DIY on camera. Let me make that clear. I've made bracelets before. I have to put this one on the shop tonight for the Black Friday sale. I need to put all of these, actually, all of these on the shop tonight for Black Friday. So if you see something you like, you know, make sure you stop by the shop. It's an Etsy shop. It's called ucbeautybysherice, and I'm not going to talk too much because I'm probably just going to end up being long-winded and get distracted. So to save you, I may pop in if I have something interesting to say, or if I have a question, or you know, if I think that there's something that you need to know, I'll probably lower the music and come back on. I'm going to prepare all of this and get everything out the packages, and then I will come back. One moment. All right, so this is my end result. Cut this piece off. I think I'm gonna add here. So I start off with that. Put this on. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. Oops. Mercy. I've been sick for a couple days. Got through Thanksgiving. Okay, so put that on there. And that's one. Result. Okay, I think that'll do. Out. Try not to lose the pieces. I don't have any way to cover the knot. I'm not too worried about that.
Say things the same. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.